Hello everyone and happy April and welcome to the unboxing of the April knit box. My name is Kyle. I'm the general manager of Makers Mercantile, and each month we open up our iconic red box to see what's inside. So those of you who are subscribers, you already probably know what's inside, which is super fun. But for those of us who may not have seen what's in it yet, let's do the unboxing. So always begins with a little joke. Now I've decided, at least this month, I'm gonna let it be just a joke for the folks who get the box. So a little something fun, some tissue paper, and then I see inside here two different packages. There's two different wrapped up lovely packages. There's a couple pieces of candy. It looks like it's atomic fireballs. So there's a couple little fireballs to heat up the rainy April. It's a little rainy here still in Seattle. And might as well show you the gift. So the gift the gift this month are these little stain swipes from Amadex. These are pretty cool. You can check out, read the description on our website. We offer these and people buy them all the time. They're awesome for removing stubborn stains. So check those out. They're really great. And of course, the little portable packs are perfect for travel. So that's the gift, that's the treat. Let's check out what the yarn is. So here is the first one. And it is our friend, Simplicity from HiKoo. So we've got color 121, True Red. It's a hank of Simplicity, which is 55% merino, superwash merino, 28% acrylic, 17% nylon. There's 117 yards in this hank. This is a 50-gram hank. So that is part of what we're doing. And the other one is this one. So let's get this one open and see what's in here. I had to really squish to get this to fit into the box. It's our friend Simplicity Spot. So Simplicity Spot is a larger put up. It's put up in a cake. This is a 200 grams, so it's 4 times the size of the 50-gram hank. It's a 200-gram cake, 456 yards. And this is the classic colorway, which is an exclusive for us here at Makers. It's a beautiful gray and cream sort of dashed yarn that makes a really interesting project. What's the project? So of course, you're gonna get a download code and you will get a printed copy of the pattern. And this is what the pattern is. This is the backyard cowl that designed using the Simplicity Spot as the feature, right? So there's that. And then a little bit of an accent. The highlight would be the red using a slipped stitch pattern. So what's really fun about this is it's worked flat. So it begins here at the beginning and works its way around to a larger amount of stitches near the end. There's some increasing and decreasing and a little bit of I-card as we go. Let's see, can I get this on my head without my glasses being on? Yes, I can. And it makes this really interesting little cowl that the collar doesn't love, but that's okay. Makes a fun little cowl that snugs the neck. And we think it looks a little bit like, a little textured, kind of like reptile skin or something. This really fun reverse stockinette pattern, but it's a fun little cozy thing. My goodness, my collar's all messed up in there. There you go. Makes a fun little cowly thing that you can wear. You throw it on, and the seam is here at the side. So when you turn around and you're leaving, you're walking away, you don't have a seam right down the middle of the piece. So this is the backyard cowl. It's all the stuff in the knit box for April. We might have a few of these left. I'm not quite sure. They did sell really quick this subscription time. So if there are a few left, then jump on in and grab one. And if not, then make sure you sign up for May, because our May box is spectacular. So have a wonderful month, everyone. Thank you so much to all our subscribers. And for those of you who watch our videos, we will see you again in May with another knit box unboxing. Thanks for watching.